Salam, this is Jehan. Welcome to my class. Today we will talk about 20 words in English that are commonly misspelled. If you like it, please continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates on my new videos, okay? Okay, I have a question. Pang-ilang anniversary ang na-mention ko sa video? Alright, let's start with the first word, license. Una yung C bago yung S. Okay, kahit sa alphabet, una yung C bago yung S. Next word, 40. 40 has 0. Parang O na rin. So, yun ang isipin nyo. 40 has O. Next word, fourth. 4 has U. Ibig sabihin, merong U after O. Fourth. Ordinals usually end with TH. So, fourth. Sa fifth, may kwento ako. 5 FT ang sinulat. 5th anniversary. So, ang nangyari, naging 5 feet anniversary. Nakakatawa naman, no? Okay. Next word naman tayo. Customer. It's not costumer. Okay? Costumer is somebody na nagsusuot ng costumes. Okay? Ang tandaan natin, customer, yung namimili. Next word is privilege. It has no D. So, wala siyang privilege talaga na magkaroon ng letter D. Naintindihan? Okay. Next word, pseudonym. Okay, it may be a name, but because it is French, kaya pseudonym siya. Yan ang spelling niya. Rhyme. Rhyme has H. Dito siguro galing yung mga pangalan na may H tulad ng June na nilalagyan ng H, nagiging June. Okay, rhythm. It has H after R and after T. Next word, delete. It is not delate. Okay? Puro E ang nandyan. Delete. Next word, continuous. Okay, let's remember, it's U-O-U. Naintindihan? U-O-U. Continuous. Next word, pronunciation. Ito, maraming nagkakamali dito. It's not pronunciation. Iba yung pronoun. Iba yung pronounce. Ito, pronunciation. Next, quarantine. O, paalala, isang R lang po, ha? Isang R lang, wag nyo nang damihan. Baka ma-extend na naman ang quarantine natin. Okay. Next word, weird. Sa weird, una ang E before I. Mas weird naman kung mauna yung I bago yung E. Diba? Next word is writing. Ayan, isang T lang yan, ha? Dahil may ing tayo, isang T lang ang gagamitin. Next word is written. 2 T's. Okay? Dalawang T's. Dahil wala tayong ing dyan, dalawang T ang gagamitin natin. Written. Next word, definite. It's not definate. Understood? It's definitely definite. Next word is soldier. May narinig na akong soldier bag. Nakakatawa. Pero sundalo yan, diehard yan, D-I-E. Soldier. Next word is shoulder. Ito dapat ang pwede sa shoulder bag, hindi soldier bag. Okay, balikat, shoulder. Next word, bonus. Maraming nagkakamali din dito. Una ang O before ang U. Tandaan, ha? Bonus, hindi bonus. Bonus. Ngayon, ang unang makasagot sa comment box ng tama doon sa tanong ko kanina, bibigyan ko ng load na 30 pesos. Okay, thank you for watching. Salamat!